Good morning, class. Today we shall take a topic in English grammar, that is affirmative and negative sentences. We are going to understand the meaning and the transformation. Okay, so let's begin with understanding the meaning of affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means a sentence which does not have any negative words like no, not, never, neither, nothing, nor, none. Okay, so any sentence which do not have any such type of words in it, so that sentence is called as a affirmative sentence. Okay, now let's consider the examples and understand it more clearly. Jane is here. Simple sentence, very simple it is. So it is affirmative sentence as it is not having any of the negative words. In the similar manner, look at the sentence 2. Jane is not here. It is having the word not. Okay. So that's why this sentence is a negative sentence. Hope that's very clear, children. What is affirmative and what is negative? Negative sentence will have words like no, not, never, neither, nothing. And affirmative will not have any such words. So now what we need to learn next is how to make a negative sentence. How we can make. Let's see that. Now before we begin with that, we need to understand two basic rules to change affirmative sentence into negative one. What do we need to remember? First of all, do not change the tense. Whenever we are changing the sentence, children, we have to take care that we do not change the tense of the sentence. And secondly, important is do not change the meaning. Right? When we add not to it simply, sometimes it changes the meaning also. So that way it will go incorrect. We will understand this with an example. Okay. Now take a sentence. She is beautiful is an affirmative sentence. Okay. Now we tried it. Tried to make it negative by adding the word not. So how the sentence became? She is not beautiful. But that is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because it is changing the meaning only. And what is the rule? That we cannot change the meaning of the sentence. So that using not here is incorrect. So rather what would be the correct answer over here? She is not ugly. We are using opposite of the word beautiful, that is ugly. When we use opposite word, then we can use the word not. Because by using such words in this manner, we can sustain the meaning of the sentence. We are not changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay, children, we'll wait here for a minute and continue after a short break. Yes, class, let's continue and look at some more examples of how to change an affirmative sentence into the negative one. Okay, let's consider some examples. This task is difficult is an affirmative sentence. This task is not easy. We have used the word easy, which is an opposite of difficult. Now he is always late. Affirmative sentence. He is never on time. Here we have used the opposite of always, which is never. She is richer than me. I am not as rich as her. Here there is little change in the sentence, the way it is written. I was doubtful if I would pass. It's an affirmative sentence. I was not sure. Here also we have used the opposite of doubtful, which is not sure if I would pass. The Taj Mahal is the most beautiful building. Affirmative. No other building is as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. In sentence 5, children noted, here the degree of the sentence has been changed. In the question, most beautiful, it is the superlative degree, which has been changed to positive degree, which says the sentence as no other building is as beautiful as the Taj. Okay, so positive degree. Here we have changed the degree. Remember, in making affirmative and negative sentences, we'll have to use other transformation rules also, children. Okay, and they are like change the degree, remove to, if or unless, as soon as, no sooner, as well as, not only, but also. Okay. Now, these are other rules which we use to transform other sentences, children. Okay, we need to just revise all those before we practice exercise on changing the affirmative to the negative one, children. Examples of some other type of sentence. Okay, now pay attention over here. This is little different. I can see only happiness on his face. The answer, I can see nothing but happiness on his face. Rohan has only 2 options now. Rohan has not more than 2 options now. Now in these 2 sentences, children, we have not used opposite like we were doing it till now. Here there is a little difference in the sentences. So we have used phrases like nothing but and not more than. Now, such phrases can be used when we don't have suitable antonym for the sentence. Okay, we can make use of such phrases at such a situation when we can't find an apt antonym for the sentence. Okay, now suppose for the sentence once, if I use the word opposite of happiness, that is sadness. I cannot see sadness on his face. This sentence is incorrect. Okay, Why? Because it is changing the meaning of the sentence. I hope this much is clear to all of you children. We'll wait here for a short break. Yes children, let's proceed with our next topic, that is now we need to understand the meaning of negative sentence. What is the negative sentence and how to transform that. Now negative, when we are given a negative sentence, we are supposed to remove the negative word. Okay, when we want to make it positive, that means we have to remove that negative word from it. But to sustain the meaning, we need to add suitable words. And what are those words? Let us look here in the examples. First one, Jack always agrees to help his friends. Okay, always. The word has been used. Answer, Jack never refuses to help his friends. Here we have used opposites, like opposite of always is never. And agrees, opposite of agree is refuse. So both the ways we have used children. Okay. He is polite to everyone. Opposite of polite is rude. Okay, so we'll add not and rude. So he is not rude to anyone. They have accepted the invitation for the party. Now the opposite of accepted is refused. And we will add the word not. They have not refused the invitation for the party. Okay, so in this manner we can transform negative sentence into the affirmative one, and we are also sustaining the meaning of the sentence. Okay, now here are some key words children that can be used to make an affirmative sentence. Now negative is given, how to make it into affirmative. So we can make use of these words which could be helpful in transforming the sentence. The words are hardly, avoid, without, less, least, few, only, accept, prohibit, prevent, deny, fail to, reject, stop, refrain from, besides, as well as, rarely, seldom, always, just, and unable. Now, let us consider some examples using these keywords. Not many people attended the funeral. Not many is given over there. So, for that word, we are going to use few people attended the funeral. Okay. Now, do not eat oily food. So, instead of the word do not, what we are using one single word, avoid eating oily food. The meaning remains same children. Do not and avoid. The meaning goes same. Not many means opposite. Okay. So, that's why here also by using these words or making use of these keywords, we can sustain the meaning as well as change our sentences from negative to affirmative ones. Okay. I hope that you all understood it very well children. Okay. We are done with this topic now. See you soon. Thank you.